I got a small range on that. It's not too big today. Actually doable. See what happens, boys. Boy. Today's Freaky Friday, guys. I'm not crazy about Fridays, man. You guys know that. But we're on such a win streak. Nothing can stop us, man. You know, we're unstoppable. It's just the way it is. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? Guys, join the Telegram group where I put all my trades. I'm going to start putting more in there. I haven't been putting them all, to tell you the truth. But I'm going to be putting them all the trades I take that I don't do on the live stream. Those are off the 4-hour daily and weekly chart. They include a stop loss and a TP. I only scalped like this during New York, during the open, and only really on US 30, NAS, or gold. Those are my focus during New York open, because they move a particular way, you know, especially US 30 and NAS, especially NAS even more than US 30, in my opinion. They're constantly just on the hunt for liquidity. Look at NAS. Coming down to the pre-market low. If it rings our bell, I'll be entering a buy there, guys, right here. The session bias is showing mixed. We got to get a little more volume here. Right now it's really not moving much, but it should pick up soon. How are you guys doing, man? Good? Shout out to Kick. All right. Let's see what we got. US 30 is going up. US 30 says bullish. NAS is like undecided. But I don't see anything here to make me want to get on here. Obviously, there's something there. But I don't see it. Maybe it just came to close this fair value gap. Looks to me like it's going to go up. Let's see. Let's watch NAS a little bit. See what NAS does. NAS is so close to the pre-market low that I can't see it going up without sweeping. Oh, we'll see. Bigger. So you guys can see better. This is a nice little zone here, man, huh? Not too much noise. Simple supply and demand. Support and resistance, man. Buy at support, sell at resistance. No, I'm not a seller today. I'm a buyer. Okay, we got 908. Actually, almost 909. 21 minutes to New York Open. If it stays in this area, guys, I think it's going to sweep when it's open. You know, when we get all that volume, I think it's going to shoot down, take the liquidity. It may even come here, and then it's going to go up. That's what I think, my friends. Let me see what US 30 is doing. US 30 is heading north. You can see it's right on this trend line here. I mean, this is only a 1 minute chart. I don't really trade trend lines, and if I did, it wouldn't be on a 1 minute. But you can see we just kind of broke it. I would put it right there. Gonna change that color, man. Can't even really see it. Gotta make it stand out a little. Orange. Nothing's orange on the chart, so we'll go with orange. Let me check in on oil, man. Oil should be coming down, I would think. Look at this. I'm not gonna mess with oil. I don't like the way it looks. Did we break here? We did come above. Guys, I'm looking for a buy on gold here. I'm gonna buy it, guys. Let me see what it does here on this fair value gap. See if it rejects or if it pushes through. I like this setup. I think it's gonna go up. Let's see if we just get a pullback to this box. I'll take it right on this box. Quick trade today, hopefully. It's Friday. You know how I feel about Friday, guys. There's hardly any volume on Fridays after the, you know, in the afternoon especially, man. It just dies. I hate to get stuck in the trade on Friday afternoon. All All right, if it doesn't pull back for us, guys, we'll take it on the break. Yeah, it's not pulling back. Let's see what it does here, guys. Trying to pick our entry. I'd rather get it down here by the right off this fair value gap. I'm just not going to give it to us. I'm taking it on the break, guys. Once it breaks through this line, I'm going to enter a buy. I'm in, guys. I'm in a buy right there. It's right at our entry. What is wrong with this thing, man? Go 50. Okay, right to the 200, guys, is 60 pips. So give or take a pip right here, 60 pips, guys. I'm going to change up the way I've been doing things, taking half. Because I went back and looked at it, and more times than not, it comes and stops us out after we take the profit and put our stop loss. You know, everything's a work in progress, guys. So we can always improve. We always got to experiment. You know, that's how it is, man. What I think I'm going to do from now on, I'm going to take at least either 2/3 or 3/4 when I take profit. So this is 60 pips, right? If I take 2/3, that's 40 pips in the bank instead of taking half and it's 30. You know, it's an extra 10 pips, man. Very important. You know, or if I do 3/4, it's 45 pips. So maybe I'll do 3/4 and just leave a small runner, and that's it. I got my 45 pips, and I'll leave a small runner. So let's see how this plays out, how this moves, and we'll decide what we're going to do. First, we got to get there, right? This might be a good place to take profit right here at the bottom of this fair value gap, because it may just reject off there. You know what I mean? If it gets there. That's 40 pips. Right? Yeah, I could do it right there. It's 41 pips. So 40 pips, right? If I take 3/4, that's 30 pips. It's perfect. Let's see how it's moving. Depends how it's moving. That's what I'm decide where I'm gonna do it. If it gets up here and it's real slow and looking like it might reverse, I'm just gonna take it right here at the bottom of this fair value gap. All right, here we go. We're pushing up. We are pushing up, guys. See what US 30 is doing. The US 30 go up? Of course it did. Nas still hanging around. Never took that, never sweat. Look at that. What a bum. All right, but we're in gold. We're at our TP already, guys. Let's see if we can push up. You can take profit now if you want, guys. You should be up 40 pips. If you take 3/4, you got 30 pips in the bank. I think it wants to go higher, but you never know. It was up high and I rejected already. Let's see if it rejects off this fair value gap or not. Come on. Get up there, baby. Woo, woo. Where's my sound effect, man? We need the locomotive. Where you at? There we go. Here we come. I put a little spark in it. All right, guys, I'm going to take profit. I don't like it's leaving 2 weeks now. It could keep going. I don't know. Nobody knows, man, for sure. So don't believe any of these phony asses. Like, I'm going to take 3/4, guys. That's 30 pips in the bank. I'm going to set a stop loss now. Right below that wick. Right below this wick is my stop loss. It's 4202. 4202. Let me move this down here. This is where I actually took profit. Right around there. All right. And we're good, guys. That's a W. Give me a W in the chat. If you took that, congratulations, guys. You're a winner today. Good as gold, man. Another W, man. When's the last time we lost, guys? I don't know. I can't remember. No drawdown, nothing. That's how we rock, man. See how we're stalling out there? That fair value gap is putting the kibosh. But it could still go up. See what US 30 is doing. US 30 is retesting the 200. Sorry, guys. Allergies. My morning allergies, man. Florida's killing me with these allergies. It's like my throat is always dry over here. Should have a nice Corona, man. Is it 5 o'clock somewhere or what? Does that rule still apply? It looks like it wants to come back down. See that, guys? It's going to stop us out. My goodness. What a bum. Get out of there. All right, we got stopped out, guys. Sorry, I got a message there. We got stopped out, guys, but we still a W, man. We got at least 30 pips on that. That's 4-0 this week. I don't know what to say. I don't know why nobody's watching here, man. We win every day. It's crazy. And, we do it quick. You don't have to sit here for 3 hours listening to me blather on a bunch of baloney. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you. Look at this going right back up. I'll see you guys Monday, man. God bless you guys. Have a great weekend, my friends. And, thanks for stopping by. Cheers, guys. God bless.